Hi everyone and welcome back. So today we are on day 7? Is it really day 7? That means that this is gonna be the 7th day that we've been working on our routines. And I have a new routine for you to add. So we are going to be laying out our clothes. Let's see, can you see that? I sure hope so. As part of our before bed routine, we're going to be laying out our clothes for the next day. And so for me, turning on some lights here. So for me, I've already taken a look at the weather. That's really super important. You need to take a look at the weather, take a look at your calendar, see what you have going on for tomorrow. Tomorrow is supposed to be kind of rainy, but it's not supposed to be too cold. I'm gonna be picking out what I'm gonna be wearing for tomorrow. And I apologize, I'm still in work clothes. Look at that, still in work clothes. See, this is my before bed routine. So, let me see. What do I want to wear? I don't know. I'm feeling like maybe I want to wear blue jeans. Yeah, I think I'm gonna wear some blue jeans. So here's something important that you'll want to think about. So if you are going to lay out your clothes, you need to figure out, are you going to be doing all of your before bed routine stuff and all your afternoon routine stuff in your work clothes? For me, I change after work just because, well, sometimes I want to be comfortable. So I'll wear like leggings or something like that, which is why you've seen that. So I am going to be wearing my blue jeans. And for my shirt, I don't know what I want to wear for my shirt. I already did my armoire here. I've already done that before, which that I believe is something that we'll end up doing. But I gotta figure out what I'm wearing. So I'm just gonna go ahead and pull out my clothes, and then I'm going to put them in a place, that I'm going to reach for them immediately in the morning. Let's talk about what we've added to our routines. As soon as we get home, right now, I don't have anything for the afternoon. That's coming. Before bed, we're going to be, and I'm looking down because that's where it is. So we're going to be making sure that we lay out our clothes. We're going to do our hot spot for 2 minutes. I've already done that. We are going to load the dishwasher. Then after we're done with the dishwasher, we're gonna go ahead and shine our sink. As soon as we wake up in the morning, we're going to unload that dishwasher. We're going to make sure we're dressed to shoes. I'm also reading the morning music. So I really hope that you guys are enjoying this. And if you want just a little bit more motivation, I'm gonna go and put that Facebook group down inside of the comments. It'll be a pinned comment. Go ahead and join us there. We already have a few members. Let me know. Now, once you've laid out your clothes, here's what I want you to do. Once you've laid out your clothes, I want you to come back to this video and give it a thumbs up. That way we can get together. Let's use it as an accountability. Give me a thumbs up, and that way we'll know, hey, you did it. Great job. So I want to thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye.